Hi, good evening, guys. This is Straight Forex with Tom, or Real Trader Forex Tom, whatever you want to call me. I am currently testing a couple of crossovers right now. So basically, I've got 200 moving average, 50 exponential average, 21 exponential average, and 10 exponential average. So as you can see, if we go back 3 days, we go back to Monday and take a look what happened to the price. So when we see these crossing over, obviously we are waiting for our session to kick in. So as you can see, I do have my stochastic of when to get out of the market and when to slightly get in, but it's more about getting out of the market. So I know you're looking down here, but we don't have enough confirmations. We need confirmations that the price is gonna go up. So how do I know? Well, I've got my crossovers here. So as you can see, the red one, the black one is 21, the red one is 50, the green one is 10. So we have a 10 and 50 crossing above. We are waiting for our session, which is US session. So 1 o'clock, 1:15, 1:30. We have had a crossover on these candles, and we had a stochastic crossing over as well. So we have all three lined up, all of them crossed over. Now remember, not all three of them have to cross over, but all of the three crossed over on our session. So 1:30 is when I'm entering for a trade. So you enter for a trade, and we are only aiming for 30 pips, okay? So 30 pips is basically from 27,806 to 386. That's our, even make it here 400. Yeah, okay, you got your 30-40 pips. Now 30 to 40 pips on a high leverage account, on a lower account as well. So small account, say like you got £20 or $20, you are hitting this 30 pips is a good move. Now this was on a Monday. Then you see the separators heading into Tuesday. Now you saw this crossover here, but it's nothing to do with our session, okay? So we are waiting for another trade. So same thing. We have the crossover here, but it was 6 o'clock, which is 4 o'clock in the UK. I still wasn't interested in that trade. Why? Because it's not my session. My session starts at 9:30, 10 o'clock, which is 8 o'clock. And we saw first crossover, okay, this green line, and then we saw a black and red crossing below, and then we saw this crossover. So our entry was exactly at 8 o'clock in the morning, and we are hitting, well, our 30 pips, okay? So we saw the crossover, and also our stochastic signal crossed the signal line here. Okay, so we could have entered slightly earlier, but we were waiting for another confirmation, which is our crossing over. So from 4:30, or say 4:50, down to 150, that's our 30 pips. Okay, and today we'd have entered for another trade. Remember, you only need to trade once or maximum twice a day. 10:15, which is 8 o'clock, 8:15, 8 o'clock, we saw our crossover here, and it even crossed over the third one as well. So we had 1, 2, 3 crossover, but as you can see, we already had a stochastic crossing over on this, but it was 7 o'clock in the morning and I wanted more confirmations. So there was my confirmation. You enter for 27,100, which is a psychological number. entered for the buy, and then go up to what, 300, which is 30 pips, and get out of the market, and you're pretty done. So you would have taken 3 trades in 3 days, and you will accumulate yourself 90 pips. If you like this video, don't forget to do one thing, is like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll find another strategy sometimes next week, and we'll see where we get from there.